Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the day of the video. Darren, how's it going today? Today we are going into work again, because it is a Wednesday today. Blimey, does not feel like a Wednesday at all, but it is. So we are coming on into work in order to continue on our tirade on live. Yesterday I didn't really do anything when I got home. I literally just went home and played some Hearthstone. Laura had like a bit of a funny tummy, so she went to bed early and she was in bed basically. Bless her. And slept quite well last night. I had a dream that I daily vlogged with One Direction, which is weird because I don't even know what they're called in One Direction. I don't even know the names. But we were road tripping across America. And I say road tripping, we weren't in cars, we were in things that you had to push along the floor. They weren't quite quick, but they were things that you had to push along the floor, with your legs and with your arms and stuff. And they had a tradition where every time they went into a new state, they had to pick up this huge can of can of Coke, but it was a weird can of Coke where inside it there was a huge cherry, a cherry this big, and then they drunk it. That was weird. So yeah, I woke up this morning, I was feeling knackered, but we'll see what you guys thought of One Direction in the next video, in the comments. Then I want to get them later. So otherwise though, yeah, like I say, we didn't do anything of note last night because of that. Tonight we've got a wash to do. We should have done a wash yesterday really, but I was so late from home, and then it just ended up being past 8 o'clock, and we couldn't really do a wash past 8 o'clock because it's loud. It's not too loud, but it's relatively loud. So, what else then? Today, we're going on in. I actually relatively know what we're going to be doing today. We're going to be sorting out the DMP. We're going to be we're going to be turning it on with the hacked way of turning it on. Ferrari. It's a Ferrari. So yeah, we're going to be turning it on so that we do today's renewals, but we're going to be turning it on in the way that we hacked it yesterday. Yesterday we basically found a way of doing the process without doing the fix. So the main priorities today, apart from doing the process because it's a daily process, obviously we can't leave it on the scheduled task. We've got to do it manually because we've got to do these changes to make it work. The priority is do the process and change that code to make it fix itself. How much debugging is going to be done on that environment in order to make that happen, I don't know. It's going to be quite a bit, I think, because I don't think we can replicate it on our machines. It seems to only be that box that does it, which is going to be a ball ache because it means we will have to log on to the box. We'd have to either point that box at test environments in order to see what's on the message. That's probably the best way of doing it, pointing it all at smoke. But then you're pointing, it's a live box at a test environment. That's not good. But we can't replicate it on dev because I've tried to replicate it on dev. So yeah, we're going to be chasing the issue we have. Essentially what we have is the box isn't telling our DMP what environment it's in. It's not telling it it's in live. We know it's in live and everything, but it's not telling our box that it's in live, and our box is rejecting it. It's like, you're not live, you're a test environment. You're not allowed to talk to me, essentially. It's ostracizing it. Like, get out of here, you're not live. So how we fix that is difficult because in development we can change our development environment obviously to pretend it's live. Then we rely on the firewall to stop us talking to live. Unless we turn on the firewall and stop them talking to each other. So we still do the tests in live, still point it at live, but we use the firewall to block it. It might be that. But yeah. So today we're going to be working out a way of fixing that problem. We're also going to be working out a way to, well no, that's about it really. Solve that fix, and no point in me moving forward, is there? Because there's going to be people coming out of that junction that want to come out, and I'm going to let them go. Except now, my friend, because I'm on green. So you better hurry up. Happy birthday, my friend. Yeah, GG, 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 GG. Go on then, come on, good boy. Good boy. Fuck me. So yeah, that's what we're going to be doing today. We're going to be making a fix to the code. We're going to be hand cranking through everything, using our little hack to make it work, and it's going to be fun. It's going to be fun. So I doubt there's going to be much. Well, the annoying thing is, it's like it's not going to be much work on my machine. I'm going to be obviously orchestrating the live deployments because that's what I always do. I don't know what they'd do if I wasn't there to orchestrate the live deployments. I suppose the release manager knows how it works, but if it goes wrong, he doesn't know why it went wrong. I know why it went wrong. Like yesterday, we was doing deployments to the test environments and the build server went bang. Would the release manager know how to fix the build server? No. I didn't. I had to friggin' look it up. I knew kind of what to do because Dibble was telling me about like something he can do. Like you can turn on a testing build agent with more verbose login and stuff. You can do that, but yeah, so I basically used that in order to reinstate a new build agent because the old build agent fell over. I left Dibble a note saying like, mate, I didn't fuck it up, did I? It seemed to work how I wanted. But yeah, so that's gonna be my day today. Sounds exciting, doesn't it? Oh, is that a breakdown bus, is it? Bus broke down? Yep. Happy birthday, everyone on that bus. Gotta love buses, eh? Come on, Mr. Toyota Igo. If you're gonna go there, go at the speed limit, please. You're in the fast lane. Get out of the fast lane if you're gonna go slow. Oh, you pissed me off. You pissed me off! So, right, I'm gonna get going to work then. I'll let you know how it goes. I'm leaving today at 4:30. I'm hoping to be able to swindle myself a half-day Friday, next Friday, for staying half a day longer yesterday. I mean, they do that if it was a live release. Like, sometimes they do live releases at like 6:30 in the morning, and everyone goes in early and leaves early. So it's kind of the same thing, essentially. But I'm going to try and swindle that, because I doubt they'll pay me overtime. Right, roll. Oh, here we are. Here we are, ladies and gentlemen. Hopefully I won't get locked in again. This bag's really heavy today. Right, let's go. Let's go sort live stuff out, man. Home time, and we're heading off. It's 4:30, making a break for the door because I don't want to stay late again. So I'm out of here. Oh, hello, Mr. Fiat. What are you doing coming into the car park when it's home time? Lunatic. So we are rolling on out the door now. Today has been an eventful day at work. We discovered what the problem was in our system as it was trying to figure out, like, you know, the extractor, what was wrong with it. The deployment failed. Luckily, it had nothing to do with me, that, because I'm obviously deployment master, aren't I, of the New World deployment stuff. But the thing that went wrong was an old world deployment, and no one noticed. So we were just running old code. We're looking through the code and we're like, but it does that there, it does this here, it does that. We're trying to replicate the bug, not happening. And then bang, there we go. Hold on, is the box running an old version of the code? Yep. So we got that fixed. I say got that fixed. We updated, just redeployed the code. And then I was working on my own project, started monstering through that, doing really well. And then we ended up going through and doing the live process again. Everything went a lot smoother today than it did yesterday. Everything worked, and we did a full migration thing successfully, as opposed to unsuccessfully, which is what happened yesterday. So yeah, it's a productive day. The weather's been really off and on. I'm not sure whether Laura's been out or not today. She said she was going to go out, but it has been spitting and then not spitting and then spitting again. So she might not have done. We will see when I get home. See how bored she is. So cool. I've literally finished talking to you as well. It's been a pretty unproductive day just because everything went all right for a change, and I am looking forward to going home on time, because yesterday was not fun at all. Got sausage and mash for dinner tonight as well, which I'm looking forward to. I'm waiting to get past this roundabout and then I'm going to stop talking to you. I don't like fiddling around with the camera near a roundabout because I need to pay attention. Okay, cool. Let's go home then, ladies and gentlemen. Evening, ladies and gentlemen. We're just about to head to bed now. I'm ending my video like a good boy. We've been productive. We've done change bed clothes, done a wash, cooked dinner, and we've been watching. I've actually done a lot of programming as well. I've sorted out my things so that I can actually step through it and see all of the debug trace and stuff, and I've translated the arguments. It's almost working. I'm that far off of the source config. I've got it in the object I need to get it to the thing that it needs to be. I just got to then go. I've got like the halfway house. I've got the domain model for here. I need to get the domain model for here into the DTO for there, and then it's done. And I'm super happy with it. And I've got lots of. I've been flying this evening. Been waiting to upgrade to Windows 10 as well. I'm deciding to wait for the weekend because it may have an effect on daily vlogs and stuff. And also we've been watching Netflix, so I don't want to set an update while that's going on, do I? But yeah, watching Orange is the New Black, and we're about to watch. Well, Laura's tired, she's about to go to bed, and I'm going to watch some Spooks because it's only just it's 10:30. I'm going to watch like an episode of Spooks and then go to bed because I'm not really all that tired yet. Cool. Tomorrow, Thursday. Don't really know what's going on. Who knows? We've got like some daily checks to go through. I think we've got a meeting to talk about the future of deployments, and that's about it. I'll catch you later.